Thanksgiving banner would be great to add to your fall decor. To make your own, you need canvas fabric, iron-on hem tape, your design cut from iron-on transfer material, an iron, wooden dowel, leather string, scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. I started by drawing a 13 by 13 inch rectangle on the wrong side of my fabric. Create a point at one end. Cut out your shape and add the hem tape to the sides and point and iron as directed. Create the rod pocket for the wooden dowel by folding the top edge of the banner down 1.5 inches. Secure the edge in place by ironing a strip of hem tape between the layers of fabric. Make sure to leave enough space for the wooden dowel to fit through. Remove the excess material from your design and add it to the front. Thread the wooden dowel through the rod pocket. Tie the leather string onto each end of the wooden dowel and place with the rest of your holiday decor. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.